Hi dear Virgos, how are you guys doing? So this is a journal love reading till end of Feb from mid of Feb. So let's tap into a partner's energy and your energy and let's see what will happen by the end of Feb. Okay. So right now your partner's energy is 8 of Cups. They are walking away from you and this relationship. They might feel like there's nothing left in this relationship and they don't want to be in this relationship anymore. They don't want to be with you with you or with this situation anymore, so they are walking away from this relationship, or they have already walked away from this relationship or you, and they are seeking some kind of healing work, or they are going internally. So they are going internally and they are seeking advice from themselves, from the universe, or from guidance from the universe, or whatever you can say. So right now they are in the energy of walking away from you or this relationship. Your energy is the wheel of fortune. So slowly and steadily, the things are working out in your favor, Virgo. Maybe you are not able to see this situation right now, but the universe has greater plans for you, bigger plans for you, and the universe is working in your favor slowly and steadily. The wheel is turning in your favor. Okay, this is your energy, and you can feel this energy. You can feel the shift that things are working. Things are working out. Things are starting to work out in your favor. You are feeling this already, maybe how your person sees you. The Temperance card is there, so the your person feels like you should be balanced. You should balance your emotions. Maybe you are overly emotional with them, or maybe you are not at all emotional. Maybe you're showing little or no emotions at all towards them, or maybe you are uh, you know uh, uh, pressurizing them or forcing them to do something that they don't want to do, or maybe you're controlling them. So how they see you is that they want you to balance your emotions, control your emotions, balance your life, balance your emotional life or personal life. Okay, how you see them as a two of swords energies there. So you see them that a person as a person who is not able to make a firm decision in their life. So you feel, Virgo, that your person is a person who is not able to understand which way to go, who are not able to take a firm decision, who are not able to understand the difference between the right and the wrong, or who are not able to match their personal or professional life, or balance their personal and professional life. So you feel like this person is maybe overly working or overly sensitive or overly whatever, but they are not the type of person who can make a decision very easily. Okay, so how they feel about this relationship, this is the 5 of Pentacles. They feel like you left them in the cold. They feel like they are left alone in the cold and they are not able to move forward in their life. They are feeling dejected, grief, alone, sad. So this is kind of energy that they are basically very very hurt from some kind of action that you did, or some kind of rejection from your side, or some kind of oversensitiveness, or not at all sensitiveness from your side. So Virgo, they are feeling left out in the cold and dejected. And how you see this relationship, how you feel about this relationship, is the Ace of Swords. You are gaining the mental clarity about things now. You have made a decision and you are sticking to that, Virgo. You are now right now in the phase of getting clarity from the universe. Maybe this is kind of bingo moment for you, that you felt like, okay, now I have to do this to work out, to make my life happy, make my emotional life or personal life happy. So this is the Ace of Swords energy. There is a beautiful, powerful new beginning in a relationship. Maybe this is not the same person, maybe, but there is some kind of beautiful beginning in your life, and you are cutting out all the toxicity, all the negativity, all the past actions you did or your person did. So you are cutting out all the negative things from your environment, and you are starting a new beginning, a brand new beginning, a brand new chapter of your life. Okay, how this is how you feel. And you want to start, maybe you want to restart this relationship, and you are now clear about how to take the steps, how to move forward with this person, how to take the steps. You are gaining the mental clarity. Okay, this is how you are feeling. What they want from this relationship, this is the King of Pentacles energy. All your person want is stability and happiness from you. So what they want is a stable relationship with you. They want their partner to be stable, and financially stable as well, emotionally stable as well, and mature and understanding. Everybody wants it, right, Virgo? So right now your person also want a stable and committed relationship with you. All they want is commitment and stability from you, and mutual understanding, a little love as well. Okay, What you want from this relationship is the Six of Swords. You want to move with your partner towards calming water in your life. You want a peaceful resolution. You want to move forward with the beautiful memories. So you want to, leave behind the past, leave behind the past baggage. Whatever happened in the past, you want that past to remain in the past and move forward towards a very beautiful future with your partner. Okay, maybe this person only. So you want a beautiful new start, a new beginning, and you want a peaceful resolution of the past, whatever happened in the past, and you want an open and honest communication and move towards a beautiful future with this particular person. So right now I can't see lots of love in this relationship, or lots of I can see feelings or emotions in this relationship. Right now this relationship wants a lot of feeling, a lot of transformation, and lots of communication. Then only it will work out in future. The outcome from their side is the Page of Pentacles energy. So they may try to communicate with you, but they're not sure how to do it. Okay, so they're kind of immature right now. They don't know which way to go. They are ready to, they are ready for a new beginning, are ready for a new start, and but they're kind of immature. They're kind of not really not really able to understand which way to go, how to communicate with you, how to tell this thing to you, how to say this thing to you. They are not able to communicate well with you, but they do want a new start. They will come back for communication, for maybe they'll call you, they'll text you hi, or kind of things, not lovey-dovey messages, but yes, they will surely communicate with you because they want to. Okay, and from your side it is the Eight of Wands energy. This is kind of energy that is required, Virgo. You are going to have a conversation with them, have a communication with them that is going to open up both of your hearts, and this is very honest and open communication, and you guys are going to make each other feel at ease and talk to each other like friends, and openly delivering the messages to each other, whatever you guys want from each other, whatever you both are expecting from each other. So this is kind of beautiful energy. By the end of Feb, you guys will be communicating with each other, and you guys will be saying exactly what is required. Okay, this is a very beautiful energy, and the potential for growth for this particular relationship is the World card. So the old cycle is completed. I think this relationship is already over. Maybe the past things are over. Maybe you guys are walking away from each other, not communicating, or whatever is happening. This is the cycle of the world, and this has come to a completion, and this relationship is also has come to a completion, and you have to start all over again to revive this relationship. Okay, and the guidance from the universe is the Ten of Cups energy. So spend your time with your family, and Virgo, I think you should focus on the long term potential of a partnership rather than short term or flings or just time pass or whatever you feel, whatever you say like this, just for enjoyment or just because you are feeling lonely. Don't do that just because of all this shit. The universe is telling you that you should focus on long term potential of the relationship, or long term commitment and long term family life. Okay, this is the guidance from the universe. Let's quickly pull one card more from love deck. What is happening with you guys? Okay, and this is your lightning. Sudden changes, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, transformation. I told you this is there's lots of transformation required for this relationship to work out. So this is your message from the love deck as well. Island Time Wellness, it is love oracle cards. So yeah, read it aloud for 3-4 times, you will get the message clearly. Okay, Virgo? Yeah. So yeah, this is all about your love life till the end of Feb, Virgo. I hope it will help you out, and thank you so much for listening. God bless you, and do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section below as well. Namaste. Thank you.